Alright, so I'm going to show you how to install your Sur Ron throttle in a way that makes sure it won't bind or give you any error codes or any issues. So when you go to slide it on, first of course make sure you're not going to pull out the connector from the actual throttle itself. So I've got plenty of slack on it, goes on, no problem, drops on. Now you'll notice this little flat section right here. So this should always be pointed right at the brake lever. So as you can see, this pivot point is going to pass right next to that. And that's one way to make sure that nothing's going to be touching, nothing's going to be rubbing, you're not going to have any issues with the control or anything. And then another thing is to make sure your grip isn't slid way too far on. So a lot of times it'll bind up at the back here. And that's as simple as just giving it a little back spacing like that. I like to put my thumb here so that the grip, rubber grip part is actually flat, and you can see it's got a little give in it. So here's the third part of it. It's when you go to tighten it down, make sure you do this really evenly. I like to go top, then bottom, then top, then bottom. So you can see it's nice free, nice snap to it. It's not going to be hanging up.
So if someone does it all at once.
Yeah, so you don't want to do the first one all the way down and then the second one, because it'll be lopsided, and that's a lot of they're the cause of a lot of issues right there, is just improperly torquing it down. So be sure to follow those steps and you shouldn't have any issues.